Thank you for joining me for this watercolor portrait painting of a baby boy. If you'd like to learn with me, you can join me at patreon.com Chen. During my painting process, I want you thinking about, for you, what is the challenge of watercolor painting of a baby? If the step-by-step process would help you to make your painting easier, let's start the painting. I'm going to start with a quick watercolor drawing. This is the top of the head. Over here to the chin, it goes to the front to the back. That's from our drawing study. That's good. Put a little bit forward, leave a little bit more on the back of the child. But I don't want to put it too close to the border. Coming down all the way over here. The eye, right in the middle over here, that's the eye. Back a little bit, now coming to the chin. The nose is about halfway down from here to here. So I'm going to put the nose, that's about right here. Now I'm going to use a little red color. Just use a little red color. Take a look at where is the mouth. The mouth is coming down, also halfway from the nose to the chin. And about here. Okay, like that. It's a cedar shape, just paint the shape. Okay, a little red color. I'm going to leave the highlight over there. And take a look at the top of the ear and going wrapping around like this. Okay, that's the ear. Okay, that's good. Like that. That's the shadow. Use a little bit brown color. Put it over here. And the back over here. And here you go. Like that. That's the hair. There's some hair coming out. And this is fun to just being no fear when you're doing watercolor portrait painting. Can you see it? There's the angle. Like that. And now I'm going to make a little bit more blue coming over here. You see this? It will be the shadow side. Pretty cool. And now I'm going to set a little bit shadow side on the cheek. Let's start from the biggest shape, which is shadow shape. And then we're going to work into the background, the cheek, and coming here. Make a little bit yellow. I'm going to put it over here on the shadow side. Adding that into here. I'm going to make this darker. So I'm going to put it right over here. Okay, that's good. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the yellow color, mix it into here. Here you go. Now it looks like green. Darker, continually coming down to a little bit lighter. Coming down here, a little bit more. I'm going to use a little water and I'm going to splash into the background. Make it a little bit softer. Okay. Take a look at the back and I'm going to have this actually touch the edge. Now you see that? Now I'm making the edge softer. Going into the eye, a little bit brown color. A little bit brown color top over here. Here you go. Like that. Have a little bit brown color for the eyebrow on this side. Like this. Okay. And I'm going to have this color coming up over here, make it a little bit softer. That's good. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit gray color inside the eye white. Okay, get a little bit blue into here. There's too much blue. Just a little bit color. Don't need that much right here. Okay, here we go. That's good. A little bit blue over here too, but not so dark. Now I'm gonna have just a little bit less. Okay. Right here. There's a little blue. That's good. Okay. Now I'm gonna set a little bit brown color. A little bit darker brown color. Now take a look at that line. Okay, right here. And it's going to have a little bit softer coming over. That's fine. Now take a look on this side, the corner of this, the corner over here, and also have another corner. Have another triangle coming down like this. This is good. Now I'm going to start, have this color, and I think that's still a little wet, so I'm not going to do too much at this point. It just set the base color, but I have a little bit highlight. Keep that little highlight over here. Just for now, have it like this. I'll come back to make it darker. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna continue on to the other side. Okay, I'm gonna have it, the iris sitting right here. Look and analyze it, and then paint it. Okay, a little highlight. Here you go. Here we go. The iris. That's good. Like this. That's good. Now, after doing that for a few minutes, now the mouth supposed to be already dry. Now I come back over here. Look at the corner. And here you go. Like this. Coming over here. Okay, that's good. And the top over there. And I set the color a little bit later, but for now I'm going to set this color as the cast the shadow, a little triangle here. That's good. Like that. That's good. Like this. That's good. That's a nice shape. Alright. That's good. Now the child's almost there, right? Almost look like, ooh, it's there. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have this a little bit softer come in here. So what I want, I'm gonna have a little bit green color. And from here, coming in to the side of the lip. Okay, I'm gonna have this a little bit more green. And see that this outside and the inside now kind of more mushed together. And out the bottom over here also have a little bit green. Okay, here you go. Now coming over. That's good. Oh, that's good. You see that now it looks very much together. And it looks like the cheek over here need to come out a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to see. Okay, that's good, like that. And look at the outside. Oh, I'm gonna make this coming in a little bit more. And either way, I can move the nose a little bit in this way. Okay, so it's sometimes it's a here a little bit change. It actually affecting the look. I'm gonna have this and have a little bit darker over here. That's good. And there's the shape coming over here. That's good too. Like that. Okay. And have a little bit green color coming up over there. Yeah, a little bit green color. Yeah, that's good. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to take a look and have a little bit red color. Not much, the red color for the upper lip right here. And like this. And then a little bit on the other side, like that. I'll come back a little bit later. Okay, that's the mouth. I'm gonna have a little bit darker red for on the shadow side. Just slightly a little bit darker, showing this side is the shadow side. That's good, like this. Okay, I have a little bit greenish, and seeing this little bit coming over. like this, showing that. And now I'm going to clear up a little bit on this side. And I need to expand this light shape in a little bit here by using this flat brush. Okay, very easy. Just make it a little lighter. Okay, that's good. Over here too, make a little lighter. That's good. Okay, just using this a way of lifting the color. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have this a little bit softer too. That's good. I'm going to and apply the darker color on this side. Now I'm gonna just, this is very much the right color. Okay, I'm gonna have this coming over here and coming over the ear as well. And here you go, coming over here. Now apply it, make it a little bit darker. Here you go, the overall a little bit darker, even darker on the top over here. Get a little bit red, a little bit red. Okay, that's good. A little red right here. Okay, that's good. Like that. A very soft color. Now coming down here, I have a little bit more red coming to the middle of the cheek. Okay, here you go. That's good. Very nice. You see that how soft the transition? Oh, the thing looks good. Now I'm going to even give it to the color on the bottom. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this flat brush. Now I'm going to do a little lifting. And just a little bit, just see the corner of this brush. And lift up a little bit. I like to using lifting technique to create a reflection. Now I'm going to come back to take a look at inside the eye. It's already ready for me. Now I'm going to mix a little bit blue with the red, making this very dark color. Here you go. That's good. Now I'm going to take a look at inside this eye. Here we go. That's the iris. Okay, it's good. Okay, little corner over here. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to sharpen the tip. That's good. Now take a look at the whole iris. That's good. Like that. Okay, and take a look on this side. Okay, very nice. And then have a little eyelashes. Lower eyelid. I'm gonna have that a little bit, just set a little bit line like this. Make it a little bit darker. There you go. Like that. There you go. The line coming up. Alright, now I'm gonna conclude this painting by add a little bit detail. Here you go. That's a little bit line coming over here. If you want to watch the full version of this painting lesson, you can come to join us on Patreon. Now in your comment, please let me know what is still your challenge when you're painting a portrait, especially for a baby. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.